What is going on, everybody? Tyson here with Faithfully Bearded, and today is Monday. Monday is the day that kicks off the week for most of us, the day that, we get to send our kids back to school. Wait, not necessarily this week, but the day that we normally get to send our kids back to school, the day that we might go back to work, the official, unofficial, the kickoff to Shark Week. And it is Shark Week, and Shark Week in my mind is kind of the reminder that, like the summer is winding down, that the school year is getting ready to start, that my beach body's going away, that my farmer's tan's going to start fading and go back to normal. It's going to level out, the pigments are going to level out, and I'm just going to have normal skin. But it's also a reminder to me that the fall is coming. The fall is coming. And what do you think of when you think of fall? Some of my fond memories of fall are raking leaves and jumping in the piles, getting those pumpkin bags and stuffing them with leaves and getting them ready for Halloween, cranberries, apples, cinnamon, pecan pies, stuffing and turkey and family gatherings and cold and scarves and hats and coats and pumpkins and pumpkin pie and spices and pumpkin pie and then like spices and pumpkin spice. That's like the big thing that everybody looks for in the fall, right? Like the Karens, they all go line up at the Starbucks and they want their pumpkin spice lattes and pumpkin spice candles and pumpkin spice this and pumpkin spice that and pumpkin spice. Well, what do us guys have? We have the pumpkin spice latte like steaming up through the cup and coming through that little hole where you stick the straws in and you stir it and it flows up into our nostrils. And we get a whiff of that, and we're like, that smells kind of good, Karen. And so what we want is how can men utilize that, enter our saving grace, the Savior. Come save us from our bodies adding extra weight, getting ready for hibernation. Come save us from Karens and come save us from our summer lulls getting into the fall time. Come help us make our beards smell amazing. Now, when you put this in your beard, you might smell like a pumpkin spice latte. You might get attractive. We think of toasted marshmallows, pumpkin spices, and amazing things. And this scent is time to come back, to make its reappearance, come out of hibernation for all of you guys who made this scent one of the top selling scents of last fall and winter season, and it has gone away, and people in the community want it to come back, and Colin over at Fable, the wizard, wants it to come back. So that's what we're doing. We're going to bring it back. It's going to be the same scent that you guys were used to last fall, a nice pumpkin spice and toasted marshmallow and this amazing scent. Let me sniff it. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. It is a fall scent, and it's coming back for you guys live on Sunday, August 16th, right here on Faithfully Bearded. We are going to have Colin from Fable, the Wizard, joining us live to launch this with a scent. And this week, I'm going to be wearing Fable all week because guess what? If you can believe this or not, the Faithfully Bearded brand has not ever reviewed Fable. Never reviewed Fable. They're not on the Faithful Ranker score. They're on the website with a discount, but not on the Faithful Ranker score. So that's what I'm going to do this week. I'm going to wear Fable all week long. I'm going to put them on the Faithful Ranker score on Friday. And in December of last year, I made this video, and I made a video, and I said the top trends of 2020, and I put CBD oil as a trend of 2020. And Fable has since launched CBD beard oil, CBD beard oil and beard butter, and all those good things. And it seems to be going around that people really like it. So I got some, and I'm going to try it out because I want to see if this trend that I predicted in December and Colin is now bringing to fruition for everybody, how this feels in my beard. Put them on the Faithful Ranker score, and then on Sunday we're going to launch up this Savior again, so it can come and join its rightful place on the Fable website and in your beards starting on Sunday. So join us Sunday. Join me this week in this review. Follow call in on Instagram, Faithful Beard Company. Sign up for their mailing list. Go to faithfullybearded.com, sign up for my mailing list. Get your discount codes emailed out to you every once in a while, and make things nice and simplistic. Bookmark the website, the Faithful Ranker Score website. You get all your discounts right there. It's just on a bookmark. If you ever want to buy beer products, it's right there on a bookmark. So join us Sunday. Watch the videos. Let me know what fall reminds you of. What do you think of when you think of fall? I think of pumpkin spice and Karen and cranberries and pumpkin pie and Christmas coming and Thanksgiving and turkey and football and all the likes. So until Sunday, I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Be you, be bearded, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.